Hey everyone, welcome back in this quick tutorial. I'll show you how to use Sales Report feature in SalesTracker to analyze your team's performance, track conversions, and get actionable insights, all in just a few clicks. So let's start. Step 1. Access the sales report. Log into your SalesTracker account, go to the report section, find out sales report, and click on it. Step 2. Apply filters. At the top, you will see multiple filters: date range, status, reason for loss, channel, and team member. Select your from date and to date. So let's say we want to check the sales report for the past month. Choose a status like won or loss. Let us choose won. Filter by reason for loss if needed. Select a specific channel and pick a team member to view individual performance. Once your filters are set, click on the search button, and there you go. Right below the filters, you will see key performance indicators like total prospect won, total prospect lost, won amount, and win percentage. This gives you a quick snapshot of the performance of your team member. Analyze detailed data. Scroll down to view the detailed table. Prospect name. Scroll down to view the detailed table. Prospect name, assigned by and assigned date, closed by and closing date, final status. You can also use the search bar to quickly find out a specific prospect. And to dive deeper, you can click on the view icon just after every prospect to get more details about this specific deal. If you want to share or review the data externally, you can simply click on the export button to export this as an Excel sheet, and then you can play around with that Excel sheet as well. To start fresh, use the clear filter button and run a new analysis. And that's how you can use sales report in sales tracker to monitor performance, identify gaps, and make smarter sales decisions. If you found this video useful, make sure to explore other reports in sales tracker in the same series. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe our channel to learn more about sales tracker and our other products. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day. Happy tracking.